So the Jubilee, Dendrobium Jubilee, I'm going to remove the dry flowers before I start repotting, changing the medium. It's growing in sphagnum moss, and it bloomed last summer. There you go. Let me see if there's some more in here. There you go. Now it's ready to repot. Beautiful plant. orchids out here. It's got this beautiful flower. See? Another orchid. This one is dying. It burned. It was dying when I got home from the Philippines. So my orchids outside now because it's been warm. Today it's gonna be in the 70s. Amazing. Today I'm going to show you my Cattleya orchid. This orchid I have for, oh gosh, 4 or 5 years. And it has not bloomed since I bought it. I bought it when it was really small. And today I'm going to show you how I take care of it. This Cattleya orchid is growing in a sphagnum moss, as you can see right here. I change the sphagnum moss once every 6 to 1 year. Depends on when it needs it. Sphagnum moss is really easy for my orchid, and I'm going to show you. This orchid have a keiki right here. This is really not a flower, it's a keiki. But anyway, growing a sphagnum moss, and I have water once when it's needed. Usually after a week or so is when I water my orchid. And it is growing really well, really healthy. And also I apply fertilizer at least once a month. That way it grows really good. And I don't overwater. Right now I just got done watering it. As you can see, it's still moist. And this one right here I got burned from the sun, so I brought it in. Usually in summer it grows outside. And also in the winter when it's cold, it grows inside. So they cannot tolerate the cold weather. So they're tropical plants, therefore it has to be indoor during cold weather. When it's about 50-60 degrees outside is when I keep them outdoor. And so all my orchids now are growing outdoor because it's been warm and it's really nice. And I'm so excited about this new plant right here. It looks really cool and I'm happy about that. So just want to show it to you. So there you go, right there. It's really cool. Love that. I can't wait to bloom, for this to bloom. Yeah, it's not bloomed ever since I got it. I got it when it was really small, so now it's growing really well. Like I said, I just changed the sphagnum moss. It's been sitting on that sphagnum moss for about a year before I changed it. So thank you so much. Hope you like it. Bye now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like my video. If you have any questions, just leave comments on the video. In the video. So shout out to all the members, Pia Mela team, and all the super viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this video. And so